Hey guys, just wanted to show you what a magnetron tube from a microwave oven looks like. I took this out of a microwave oven they threw out. Might have been good or not, I don't know. Well, we took it apart, me and some of the guys. Now this is the magnetron tube. I already took it apart completely because every magnetron tube in a microwave oven has magnets, and I wanted to get the magnets out to make some school lessons for the kids. So it just takes regular Phillips screwdrivers to take it apart. These were some of the wires that were attached to it and this thing here. Like I said, everything is already taken apart. I'm just going to show you the different parts. This pulls out of here. These two wires were attached to here, and this is one of the magnets. You can see, very nice round magnet, powerful. And the other magnet, this is part of the shell. This comes together like this here, and it's screwed down. You can see that. These two connectors are for this and these two wires. So this gets screwed together. Here is the other part with the other magnet, which is up here. Take this little washer out. This here, I don't know if this is gold or not. I'll give it to a friend of mine who deals with gold. If it is, then he could make use of it. Otherwise, I don't know what it is, what kind of material. And these are the two magnets. Ouch. So I could make a school lesson for the kids, teaching them about magnetism, like how magnets repel each other and how they attract each other, and also how magnets pick up different material depends on what they are. If it's metal, it'll work. If it's something like cardboard, paper, magnet won't work on it. It'll work only on certain kinds of metal. Let me see if I've got an aluminum can. Give me 1 minute. Alright, I'm not doing any advertisements for these people, but I'm just going to show you this is an aluminum can, and the magnet doesn't work on aluminum. I'll show you here also. This is glass. Magnet doesn't work on glass and plastic. By the way, with the aluminum can, I don't drink soda. I stopped drinking soda because it has no health benefits. What else? Yeah, so this here, like I said, I don't know what this is. Magnet doesn't work on it. So that's it. Just wanted to show you how a magnetron tube looks that's in a microwave oven. And each one depends on the size of the magnetron tube. Each one has magnets. Different sizes. and I'll make up some experiments for the kids. I'll show you already printed out. Give me a minute there. I already printed out some lessons for the kids. I don't know which direction the camera's facing. About magnetism. Here's another one about static electricity. All right, well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You got any questions? If I'm able to answer it, give me a shout. Thanks for watching my videos, and take care. Bye now.